Hello friends, welcome to Homestead Gains. My name is Kevin and I was just coming on today. I need to put up a snow fence. This is something I've intended to do for several years. Finally got some and I got the supports in place, so let me take you along. Our property has this hill leading up to the house, which is great. I love having the house high because that way we're not really in danger of any flooding. However, that causes the wind to come right up through here, and it goes around the side of the pool, and you can actually see where the leaves deposit. In the wintertime, this is where all the snow deposits. So we have to walk through a 2-foot or 3-foot snowbank just to get out to our vehicles. So what I'm going to do is install a snow fence. And so I picked this one up at a local Runnings store. It's 4 feet by 50. Just got to open it up and unravel it. Bag of zip ties, and I'll probably need, I want to attach it to the beam. I don't want to just link it to itself because I don't know that that'll be strong enough. So I'm going to put 2 of these together. Okay, I'm going to do one for now and then take it down to the next side. Now, I am going to have to get some T-posts and put a couple of T-posts in here to strengthen this and hold it up. So I'll get those next. We do get some pretty heavy winds up here, so I want to make sure this is secured. I'll bring you a little closer here so you can see what I'm doing. Taking the zip ties, putting one through the other like that, so now I have a longer zip tie. And then I go right around the 4x4. And the same thing on this side. Got a little bit left over but not enough to make any extra distance, so it's just going to stay right here with the rest of it. And I'm going to secure that with a zip tie just for safety. And that's it. Snow fence is installed.